Hi sewing friends, Rebecca here. I just got off work and swung by the Dollar Tree because I had some ideas percolating in my brain and I got some goodies and I thought I'd share them with you and challenge you to a creative exercise to see what you would come up with if you needed to make a project with these things. So I got a little bin, you might be able to see it, full of things. And the first thing are these hand towels. I just love this color and the print, $1.25. And I have exactly an idea that I want to try out. And I want to see what you guys would do with this. Next thing, some fat quarters. Yeah, right. Did you know that the Dollar Tree carries fat quarters? And they're each $1.25. And to be quite honest with you, I was wondering what the quality would be, being that when I went to a certain big box, a sewing store, and bought some fat quarters, I found that there were some spots in the fat quarters that were kind of not what they should have been. So wasn't extremely happy with that, but I have purchased some of these and looked at them and they look pretty good for $1.25. The next thing is a mesh laundry bag with a zipper. Some faux vinyl, navy blue. Just going to try to sew it and see how that turns out. And lastly, these two adorable little wall hangings. What would you do with these? So drop in the comments below if you think of some things that would be cool to make with items. And let's get the creative juices going. And until next time, happy sewing. Bye.